In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on your ID at DMV online. So first, of course, head over to dmv.ca.gov. Then next at the top corner of your screen, click on Online Services. Now from here, scroll down until you see the Apply or Request section. And under it, click on Change Address. So from here, it is important that you read this note first. So before you begin, these are the things that you have to consider in changing your address. And once you're ready, click on the Start Address Change button. And to proceed, you will be prompted to log into your account first, of course, or you can also simply log in with CADMV Wallet app. Once inside, just follow all the on-screen prompts and guidelines in changing your address. You'll be asked to enter your driver's license or ID number, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Just type in your new residential and mailing address and make sure everything is accurate. This is what will be linked to your DMV records. Once done, review your information and hit the submit button. You'll then get a confirmation number. Make sure that you keep it for your records. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!